Top 5 no-equipment home workouts for full-body fitness.
Looking to get fit without any equipment? These 5 bodyweight exercises will help you build strength, improve endurance, and engage all major muscle groups from home. Each move is simple, effective, and easy to start, whether you're a beginner or looking to take your routine up a notch. Let's explore the best home workouts for full body fitness.
Push-ups.
Push-ups are a classic bodyweight exercise that target your chest, shoulders, triceps, and core. They can easily be modified to fit your fitness level. Try knee push-ups if you're starting out, or diamond push-ups for a challenge. Proper form is key. Keep your back straight, hands under shoulders, and lower your body until your elbows form a 90-degree angle.
Squats.
Squats work your legs and glutes, as well as your core. Stand with feet shoulder-width apart, lower your hips as if sitting back into a chair, and keep your chest upright. Drive through your heels to return to standing. Squats not only build lower body strength, but also boost stability and balance. Variations like jump squats or sumo squats can increase intensity.
Planks.
Planks are powerful for core strength, engaging your abs, back, shoulders, and even glutes. Begin in a push-up position, but rest on your forearms, keeping your body in a straight line from head to heels. Hold this position as long as you can with good form, focusing on steady breathing. Planks can also be performed on your side for added oblique engagement.
Lunges.
Lunges target your thighs, hips, and glutes while challenging your balance and stability. Step forward with one leg and lower your hips until both knees form 90-degree angles. Push back to the starting position and switch legs. Lunges can be done in place, walking, or by adding a jump for extra cardio. Try reverse or lateral lunges to vary the movement.
Burpees.
Burpees are a full-body exercise that combines strength, cardio, and agility. From a standing position, squat down, kick your feet back into a plank, do a push-up, then jump up explosively. Burpees boost your heart rate, improve coordination, and work multiple muscle groups at once. They're challenging, but incredibly effective for overall fitness without any equipment.
Conclusion. Building a balanced routine.
By including these 5 no-equipment exercises in your regular workouts, you can achieve a strong, balanced, full-body fitness routine at home. Mix and match movements based on your goals, and remember to warm up before and stretch afterward. Consistency and good form are the keys to lasting results. Start today for a healthier, fitter you, all without any equipment.